In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Runbooks. Runbooks are a part of Azure Automation and can help you automate complex and repetitive tasks. Runbooks are stored in your Azure tenant and are synced from the RealmJoin GitHub repository. To get started, head on to your RealmJoin portal. Head over to Settings, followed by Runbooks, and you'll be greeted with the Runbook configuration wizard. From here, you'll need to fill in the tenant ID, subscription ID, resource group, client ID, client secret, automation account name, branch, and location. Now, in order to get this information, you'll need to head over to your Azure portal. I'm going to be showing them side by side so you can see where you can grab everything. In order to grab your tenant ID, you'll first need to head over to your Microsoft Entra ID. You'll notice that on the overview, your tenant ID is here and ready for you to copy. For your subscription ID, choose the subscription that you plan to deploy your automation account. You'll need to create a resource group within the subscription that you plan to deploy your automation account. Enter your resource group name. Choose the region in which you wish to deploy your resource group. And press Create. Once that has been created, copy and paste the name of your resource group. Once you have filled in your tenant ID, subscription ID, and resource group, copy the PowerShell code in red into your Azure Cloud Shell. Once the PowerShell code has finished running, copy the app ID and password into the RealmJoin Runbook wizard. We'll also need an automation account in order to continue. Create a new automation account within the resource group you created earlier. Ensure that your automation account has a system-assigned managed identity. Once your automation account has finished creating, copy and paste the name into the RealmJoin Runbook wizard. For branch, choose either master or production. And for location, match the location in which you have deployed your automation account. Save what you've done and we're finished. Once the sync has completed, you're ready to start using Runbooks.